Sponsors and partners, hope you're having a wonderful October and getting ready for November. My name is Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin, and if you don't know who I am, I have been a realtor here in the Valley for the last 24 years, teaching my fellow agents how to get the greatest and latest bleeding edge kick butt real estate technology for CE credits. We give stuff that no other school in Arizona gives. This means ChatGPT, YouTube, Reels, social media, and so much more, including the traditional classes such as the Code of Ethics, Transaction Desk, and many, many others. Click down below to take a look at all of the courses that we've been offering for the last 19 years, once again, to our fellow realtors. We would love to have you as one of our sponsors in one of our classes. We have this in option A or option B. Option A simply means that you hire us out with the dates you want, the times you want, the classes you want, charge or don't charge, we don't care. We even help you market it, even where they can register on our calendar. And of course, you would get the roster of everybody who signed up. We also have option B, which means that we have preset dates, and all you have to do is come along and piggyback off of one of those dates, times, and classes that we're giving. You could go ahead and promote yourself to thousands of different agents out there with your services and products. Let me know if you have any questions at all. We look forward to working with you. Have a great week. Thank you very much, and techie out.